Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a shadow in Canva to give your text, images, and elements a more professional look. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, for example, we can add an element. Let's take a list, add a shape. Shape elements. Now, we just have to choose. Let's select this circle, or let's choose this block. For example, let's make this block. If we want to add a shadow, all we have to do is click on Effects, and then you will see this drop here. As you can see, there's now a shadow. We can adjust the direction. Right now, it is on the right. We can change the offset. As you can see, it's changing. Then, for the blur, we just have to adjust it, and then the transparency of the shadow. See here. This depends on your preferences. You can decide where to put the shadows. This is up to you. Once you're done, just click Save. That's how we create shadows in Canva. It's simple, but it makes a big difference in your designs.